man him na so. Ke ya peri de business ya. Ke ya me pre business ya because he cried to me. Brana agba ma aso. Betray me. Bem on a vulnerable time. Gas sign ya na gi the same ambassador mo bra gi no he na acho. Ya nyegi. Governor Nyoshi ge enwe ihere. Ihere ekwegi. Ihere ekwegi. You ihere ekwegi. Upon all everything, all the mouth you made, no rukwa na ina acho ambassador chipu ke nwa nu ahụ. Ya sign yake, you took it with your shameful smelling rumpled career. You demon in human form. You demon in human form. Nena be so kene. Abrange cancel anything about you. Cancel it as a owner before I'm walking. You. Mbem nosi nime. Gina Nwagu aga me peace. Nwaga sign yage. Ga one pastor ya ni ime gini hala. And you want me to be, I don't understand everything. The whole thing is just I can medical on a movie on a more. You that they prula mua ganambu. They want prula mua gare kwasara nambu. Medo manofin iji egbe iji mma iji oka iji ogu iji everything burum ganambu because of gene Nwagu, because of Nwagu. Don't try my patience. Do not I try my patience though. I try my patience. I try my one naira in the Mumbem no Nigeria. You think is Nwagu, you owe me and you will pay me. I am the wrong person. I'm not stupid though. Nwagu, I'm stupid. I'm only respecting you. Ebi ge be betray mo. And I'm telling you with my full guts. Mpotarage, have bad. Don't you watch J Park. You watch J Park afon she wear belly face. You watch both of these amusus. Biana ne we begi. Biana ne we begi. Where Ebi Lodgeremu Newi, your place. Nwagu, they arrested me in your presence. Nwagu, you couldn't stop it. The only thing you did was Brumo to get poor. I called you couldn't pick up my call. And I'm out Nwagu, you start to beat. I know why I'm saying this, so because when I will come out and voice my anger, Benga potang saga giga last semaka for 5 years. You get me at the beacon. Don't allow me to start. Do not allow me to start. You will not like me. Everything you have promised me. You promised to give me everything. Give it to me in peace. And now you gave it to me without me asking for it. You will settle me. You will settle me. It's a long gagawarung gimagarung women. Iana him twice, mamma. He can Iana repeating him twice. Emanu Guijimu, Pomu Guijimu, Governor Nyoshi, get inhere kwegi. I spit Murugini who, Papragini who get where Sung Burugini who, Ganara Nwagu, ambassadorship guy bito. Nwagu, you contacted Nwagu, Nwagu contacted you. That one I don't even know how it started. I don't even know how it started. Somebody somebody nyana moto biana ejibegi e common ngoba alaman idiot anyana moto Biana Newi Becky. And when woke, wula. Did you guys plan it together, Nwagu? Is it a planned deal? Did you set me up? Did you set me up? Did you plan it with these people? I want to ask questions that I don't know. Did you plan it with them? A planning here with them. I hope okoro bibo. I get broke bia. A from okoro bibo. Onye chotarage from US. From all the way to US. Alandrem na Abuja the next day mabia. I called you. You are not aware. Are we set up? Is that a setup? Or will you not plan it together because you want to sign him an ambassadorianship? What went wrong? You have to explain many things to me. I told me start. I told me Piton, he got like it. I told me Piton because case get Julian a phone more. Your case is a lot. I was just trying to mellow over. Nwagu, settle me in peace. Keep party away from me. In peace. Don't say I didn't tell you. Oh, I set up. Is it a setup that if vigilante, not even police, because I'm mke. I'm mke. I'm not police. I'm because I'm not the Nigeria. I'm in the wunde. I'm more police. I'm more vigilante. I'm in the somebody she from Ngobala. Somebody she from Obo. Boys are wounded newi. And never being on me your father like who you know like what the hotel. Mem Shimala Nabale, you told me not to go. Mem Shigi Rebem Lodge, and I want to go back to you. Told me not to go, and I'm Cherechifo that you have a room for me. That was what you told me. Did you plan it with them to take my life? Or you planning? Nwagu. Or will you plan towards me? I want to know. I want to know. Because I decided not to say things. Money, my bank. Actually, remember what you did with these demons. Actually, remember what they have planning towards me. How about I called you. The only time you picked up my phone was once. You gave Bruhilo so get within them again. I was left alone. Is that a plan there? Did they plan it with them? Is that a plan there? Tell me what I don't know. I want to know what went wrong. Somebody shift from US to Chotagi. You gave me your word. But that I actually with my own security. You told me I don't need security that you're going to protect me. Nwagu, you left me on a place I don't know. Eh? Nwagu, you don't push me, oh. Don't push me. Don't push me. Don't fucking push me. Don't fucking push me. Because if you unveil the anger in me, because I want to even he questioning me, nobody could have arrested me that very day. And when they had the right, even arrest and a you left me vulnerable. Did you plan it with these people to arrest me? Ownership from US Biaragi. You did not stand for me. You allowed them to molest me, arrested me. And they want me to leave you to have peace. Nwagu, don't push me. Don't start with me. Abasulamiwo. Abasulamiwe. You want to bring this peace in me. Abasulamiwe, don't provoke me. Because he meant putagi. He meant just for my enemy face here. Me for everything trace you will not like me. Actually, me, I set him up. Did you set me up with my enemy? He set him up. Did you fucking set me up?
Okay,
He set him up.
Okay, I'm going to meet because I'm going to meet
you pass on message. I actually go to
take over.
The morning get a month about when I give cruising, I got that place. I give I got over it. No, but more than I'm time every day. I'm my story getting a same to be able when I gave you for you.
Get that come
I'm telling you. This one is evil.
Okay, yeah, you got through. It might be a
But so also good long, I pass on message.
because when someone was asking me, I said, "Why gonna wear back? Man, you can't find somewhere in my house. You better arrest. Who are you? In Ankai? Can I beg you, my man, that you are in your house?
Hey, but the guy when he chance to rescue Ogechi that time on Ogechi from Sinanda no there. You know, over thousands chance to Ogechi there.
Because I asked that question that day. Nwagu better. Ogechi Okeke better. What can we call it?
Friends.
Oh, God.
Come on, guys.
He's aware of the deal. He's aware of that movement. What other way? He's aware. If he's not aware, you won't step outside that place. I'm telling Gospel to be a man. I'm not a boy. You can't find a man here. Or someone not under my care. I have security with me. Oh, God damn.
They have not executed the plans. Because they have not said maybe that's why.
Fully aware. Oh, Mama, that was the deal. Now, what people the game that match to target begging.
Okay, my hair,
I saw to you.
Because Provost bandit, it's not really insult, but it's a setup.
The president take over.
It's a setup. It's not really because if there's so many security, right? That day, you know, carry me. You used to go the security and stop all the time. Was it an Ogechi Ogechi? Or not even at that time.
Simple.
Yeah, we'll talk question there.
Cable said, okay,
I don't mean to be Ogechi Koro, but all the make it's a message you have passed it through. It's really sad that all got this way.
The message.
Yeah, it's a message. I'm hoping on a blue app. It passed it through. Go with the message. Get what's the answer, Mama? Get one response.
It's good.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, the meme don't gas.
The film in this thing. Something like that.
Nonsense also that day. Don't worry, everything will be okay.
What do you think that?
English.
Sorry, Peter.
To capture their life. To capture their life. Because if they Osama bin Laden. Oh, Chimo. That day, I can never forget that day. DSS, police. Otakosi a shout.
nwata nwaanyị nọ ka nwoke na-afụrụ mba na-afụrụ ya na J-Park ọ na-agwọ n'elu.
Okay, but that thing was in the morning, right?
Yes.
It was in the morning, yes.
Oh, I just have I'm just shock about.
Mba na phone, go come for on a shout. You get to capture that life. You will pay. Hey, I don't need to change. You miss you more cool like this.
I need lion table.
I do on a coedy. According to what we want.
So, okay. Are you, because you're not governor, you could are you sure we are going to end on a hotel?
Exactly.
What you like? Because you're not the number. How did they know the hotel in on email?
I'm not the police. Not set up for the long.
Escape that don't get carried married.
Okay, I work on one of my was in the army. He went to America, Ubikaya. That doesn't damage Yagapa, Bolia. A while long with you. I got that one hour. Okay, on my business here. You go one, you got a major
100% set up.
Now, go as I said, give a body up again. I wouldn't do what I
Mama, no cry, Bella, because
what is that? We may get to that in case I had one of you. I'll for one.
Because after I met Raka connected to Abuja. The woman I'm at him, happy.
Yes, that place, Muroji, I know here.
I'm going to not good as good.
I
had them okay. One hotel, I'm not who they got the one.
I know me about town, down, making a man to be our day herself. Eh? Mama, baby, a woman and a neighbor and beside and more young. Chineke Baroko. I'm not saying anything.
Oh, yeah, no, I want to have a contest.
Last Friday.
No, good evening.
Good evening. We're not contest. We come.
Good evening.
Okay, can you short on here?
Oh, Governor Eziokwu was not governor of Imo State.
I won't go to dash monkey jacket. Who dash monkey jacket?
Come on, I hear Jinjin Post.
Okay, no hold my baby.
He can't be governor of Imo State. Who is contesting under NDC?
NDC go where?
No, make again.
Also, all contesting under NDC. Nwagu.
Try to my baby put the cool yourself.
What's it like?
No, not contest again.
On a remote, on a lana, on a get your Nania, Bazuago, on a confused Nambia. On the name of plan, all plan.
Other just South Africa.
Oh, yeah.
Ah!
I can't do hot.
Oh, what's on it, Chaffo?
Okay,
What I want to have
Okay, you got yourself. Mama told me nowhere.
It got Kejibonka.
Telling you, hand out plan now. We have.
Okay, now I understand.
Apply it by Ogechi.
I praise the plan. It by you. I'm gonna hit the war gate now. Ogechi wouldn't have reached Abuja. Oh, has moved to Lamo here on Abuja. So ground.
No, but let me tell you
But to go to Abuja, well, had your woman.
Getting to Abuja with a nice thing. In my head, Kaliman Ali, Anambra State.
I got it quite terrible.
Yes, because one Abuja, Oruhoya can share one mad. But in the Naya Coco, actually, what happened? Then I have to the Oko. Yes, but I will mad, but in the Nana Coco Paga gave one mad. So, I come man, Oje and Abuja, Sheba, take your home away.
Yes.
Actually, what happened?
Because so many I got it terrible.
And I'm again, the water and then call any 5 million or any gala.
Any gala now. You give us a million.
I'm going to 5 million. You might never come.
5 million. I say going 50,000, 30,000. Hey, Wole. My gosh.
Oh, wow. Onye amaketiri Nwagu business here. Oh, Governor Eziokwu mgbe Ogechi nọ na nga. Onwe mmadụ
ga-achụkwa Nwagu up till now he si onye gbasara odera. I get you get what I got ya kwaje. Yana untouchable ga-abịa anyị ihe mere that boy. Anyị iwu ka anyị ga-ebili case ya. I got to one on. I got to.
Onye nwe saga ju ya
Oge shani hapu go that na ya ji ya ola nye niile mere ba n'aka. So we are here now, we are game. Now anyị ga-eme extra page. We are game. Na Facebook ona na ga appear from Facebook.
You should have to listen to again. You should have gone
NDC governor.
Now it's really English.
Okay, never a to go.
The thing they would tell you just betray. I Chineke. Oh, wow, now I want to say, even though you can get medicine, I got the power stock. Every don't for my time, I know I be quite big.
That's right.
Yes, now you come but I don't know any moment number 2 in a taco cassia. I been Garibe Luta happen.
I have a second 2 hours.
Ogechi capture the life.
I'm a neighbor at that life.
Peter, the one that when they get poor, what's the one? Oh, this is Vicky. Oh, that's what it
I like it, but I didn't saga bottom, but all woman. I tell you, good evening, it's Olivia. I want to meet the cake in been a while. Because no. Mamu go benaja dog who no align any here because saga no time because never na gaga. And let me beside that. Maximum best line.
You know, I talk okay. Okay, sign ya. O sign ya saga.
Agboja mewu send ara no moya ota ke mere threaten ikpuho amala ha amala kuwo pe nne ba hon
I focus. I tweet teacher be here I tweet. Yeah, I'm going to take gazette.
Na I take gazette because check the man now gbagoro di anwuru mo.
Onye gazette against you. Gazette, I'm not gazette. Also, appear no.
I don't know. No boy yoku. I don't know boy yoku.
I want you. Ya gaza the courts.
Oji say ya you. What can I?
What capacity ya guys are poor ya. Over the gazette now, boss. Ya that defend the gazette too. Ya na about also.
And the one thing I make it out, look at all the other, you know. Why not?
I'm just crying.
Who is crying?
Whenever I get papa.
Honestly, I don't know.
We are tired. I back baby. I gave me a gay. I walk quite big, but let's see more when you call to go nose. Toka onyo so kaya nanya.
Kebole be yago.
Manumo.
Onyo na.
So mo wa pa le be na.
Onyo na wa zero bi anwa.
I want but I had to live like I bought come to me, she madam buyer, she will buy if she will buy here.
I just God,
because
Aku gana be kita ya go na agwa ta fia. Aku gana be kita ya ge me wa agwa ta fia fucho.
na
Aku gana be se. Oge chike ya na Nigeria ruo now. Nda plan no ka ha ya renew ya complete ya. Oge just na mma de po. Wanya ado already ya. Hey, owo na wanya nwere power eh. Oge chi will not cross Moitara Mohammed. Yeah. O to go to Abuja no. Oh God. In short there. Oh, it's out Tampani, it's out Tampani, and I'm not one. And I'm not what the one yapata. Where you talk, they won't have you get to the center. Okay. Who knows 100? Who gets 100? Who is 100 when passing information? Another man who 100.
That pass out my nation.
onye Nigeria ego na amachari
problem onya ema mi yo feel no bu self nwa oda
onwe ni obi onwe yo bu kwano onwe yi fo bu
nwa ko di chore ama
kita na do je kita ofi abuto onwe yo menwu
good name na Uncle Solo. Also,
Uncle Solo behind office house na ye baby.
Can you imagine nobody
Love why you can have time
nobody. Aku na bo governor is just na dey back here. What the work
why wait to salad.
Why treti
Oh, this back I mean.
Oh, you Gazette assistant commissioner of police go Jiroya. Okay, we no tireti.
Na fortunate na ga la fa o.
Oh, why tireti?
Una ga la fu na digye la fa.
Ona la the man.
Una ga go fa ga digye.
what is this woman
Una ga go fa.
o kwa se ni wa government go na eme ka atwa oje na na no nya so ndi wa government
Oku dey na look at federal government. Oku na one of the saga mbola saga ogi. Oku ya. I know that thing go to Sasaki City.
Okay, I tell you so you okuru.
Yes, that's the name I look at.
I get in a buyer sago no near she come out, no near she perish.
So Oku ya.
I get you buyer. I get in a buyer. No near buyer so your
Mother's pride, how are you? Are you back?
I'm fine, mommy. I'm the mama.
Okay. Oh, if I'm here, I give me a meko. Meko. Because you know, Kuchana can wait to no can be the sagam.
Ewo. Okay, everybody
go back to
Okay, Chakai Badala.
back to you because.
Respect so much.
Mbaba pono una na he mute pono.
If you former you echoing.
Nah, this is from
Okay.
Nime ge echo, gina shi me again. Ana shi abatu una agba nketa. At least chọ job your me respect onwe gi.
also be ga da eba
Also gị ga na ebe a. Neburu onwe gị na PA. Naanị PA. Na governor onye oshi. Onye okwenye didi na this lady. This lady here, one of my followers, Mbola where you ever na my inbox on a chat ne abra and abra nam ge we delete e Mbola man ge we delete e the thing. Ne don't worry, stop deleting. Hey, the followers, man. When they gonna be about what's up? I bet you body go info. I mean, I'm a turning button. Don't worry, I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Emashi, you na mo wule eburu abaka. Ya lacha mo li mepere ya ga na ahu ya. You na mo wule eburu na abaka. Ya lacha I ga na ahu the mark. The mark will keep reminding you. Am I what I'm saying? Mma eburu na abaka. Onwere ihe ọ ga-awụ that. Onwere ka Ogechi jere somewhere. Or Ogechi gaga somewhere. Eme onye ahụ arrest. Hey, somebody wanna have discuss that I'm coming. He assured me security. He assured me na ma bodalego na ma if in contact in them mechana. Nchori ijayo. Yashim, don't worry that everything is fine. That I should not worry. Did you me what I'm saying? Nama that I should not worry. Na when security, na when ndam, na when nka. Let me understand where my anger is coming from. Here was somebody mushiri from here. I let my way he did my but for him not to go. Everybody told me, Oge, do not go. Oge, do not go. Diki, Harry, Mbene. Even fortunate. She will be more worry. And I wouldn't am not worry. They won't. I don't know where they came in my arrest. This idiot swing on. Oh my God, Anambra State. Somebody can get protect him was my biggest mistake. Ashikwa Miyamagawa, please let me leave that night. And when I'm reservation already, Yashimu no. Then when I be a domain. So the whole thing begin to make sense whether it's a planned deal. Did you organize with these people? If you organize with these people, then why did you invite me? If you organize with these people, give go this passion. This idiot one passion to for Efeko barana boko fa no nyo shina je pipe agbara mmiri na afọ ja patrol ga na compound to Nwagu ata lekulo Nwagu ka lekwa the hotel. These people have known Nwagu ata for years. Odika na nga mmadụ patara bịa kwọ nwa gị ihe n'ihu gị dimkpa nwa afọ Igbo nwoke nwa afọ Igbo dimkpa abata n'ụlọ gị. What are you trying to tell me? Zimba beta guess Sibrano log guess it personally because of you. Ebaha Jeba on Loa, Nwagu Burumoto ya disappear. Nwagu disappear. I was calling Nwagu on your phone, yeah. Nwagu turn off his phone. He only picked me once. She had a kwanda beranda be mema arrest. That's him chile no come back. With that lady Anna watching Aza. Anna Maju. Nwagu, did you set me up? He set him up, Gogene. Were you working with J Park and the Governor Onyoshi? Actually, remember what happened to that very day. Because I see no reason. Here hotel in a run your thing. A guy one hotel Shiamba. Now when my guess, here we hotel you've been running stuff with it. Somebody you've been running things with it. Guess the guy begging a police be there. Have you ever seen anybody with a hotel or somebody ever there may arrest without that person consent? Nwagu, you got to answer me many questions. I don't want to say many things. Olu juru meju. And I'm gonna get I have told you, and the tone of my anger, and you think you wanna push me. Nwagu agwala mabaka ni mendugo. Nwagu achoro me mabaka ni mendugo. A guy like him, do the things right. Pay me what you're owing me. Everything in Jamaica kubo domia. Iga kubo domia. I've told you how much you will pay me, and that is what you're going to pay me. I lost many things because of you. You left me stranded. I'm in Nnewi town. I don't know nothing about Nnewi. You invited me. You invited me. I came trusting that the security you promised, everything you promised, not be secured. My bedo, ndabia, Nwagu ge buru hilo so ge poro ndame ge. Puo. Poro apuo. Oh, when I'm up or go, up or I'm these people are here. You left me vulnerable. Can you stand those men? Mama, whom they have Monday uniform, Monday you over 30 people. Why do you left me in the hands of devourers? People can say that Ogechi me gishigishion and when accidental discharge ababuum, that will be the end of me. And when they had get better, that was why I was calm. That was why I was calm. I maintained my steez. Melania, you are nowhere to be found. Ngaka kwanya today. Today ngaka kwanya. I will keep giving you a rope. Nwagu, settle lomo. Settle lomo. You must, though. Is a must. Or we game with. I can make a pack and even to be like a home. You got to settle me big time. You can settle lomo. I will say many things you will not like the 2 ears to hear. It gets settled on. Enough of your coming down on bullshit. Enough. Enough. No be him men again and again. And we be him men again and again. Everything he told me, no, don't worry. I'm doing it from my heart. Maybe him and again and again. He never shishi to do anything for you. Everything he made. You will give me this. My remind you, personally, without me asking for anything in return. I'm not a. Do not sign me. Because I will break your rules and regulations. I will be a sackist. Promote. I'll promote you without asking for anything. I only suggested for you to go and do ambassador with Ezugo. I told you, I persuaded you until you gave me ambassador. You even in day what am I gonna otaragi people? No be memshigi actually me will like anything. I keep on rejecting the offer. Many people because I won't saga dominate your terms and rules. Do you understand what I'm saying? So for people I'm making here for you to commit. No. And they got all the things you put me through, because without you, I wouldn't be apprehended. You betrayed me. You left me stranded. You left Somebody who's supposed to protect me. Somebody who told me that Nigeria security that will protect me. You abandoned me. You ran away. Even in Benda, all these men that gathered, I don't know who they are. Knowing how insecure the Nigeria is security, but Ogechi, I was not with security when they captured me. You was online, you saw everything. You was watching everything, you was following everything. Bami hige mere muta. Ngashigi mere mi homa. Nwagu, do you know how much I'm spending in that rubbish case? Or do you know how much I have spent? I go like Inyeremu. How much do you give me? Inyeremu I go like Ibjabanketi that you will not pay me. Inyeremu I go like. Okay, nga bogi get with 1 million naira. What is 1 million naira? What is 1 million naira? What is 1 million naira that somebody who entered their life? Even common J Parky, in which I be your J Parky, may somebody arrest. Or I guess J Parky button. Even that idiot of Boroko, you cannot come and when more keyboard. Gabotan Matonia he may arrest. Or not possible. You betrayed me. You gave me out for the devourers to swallow me. People have been coming me down. I've been trying to swallow in silence. I push Ilamo because so Ogechi be there, but things get God. Sawari epu. Don't push me. Eminemi as opposed to the other time, they called me and I withdrew. I could do things right, so that I will forget you and delete you. Governor Onyoshi, Ben Nona Suleja, you fucking be. It shouldn't be okay. Whatever deal you're gonna get, what you okay, Chiputa. It did not work. Whatever deal you have with this demon, Chareko okay, Chiputa. You're gonna peace. Cameruna poor before I would tap into anything that I want to do. You gave me the cap, but I'm rubbish. Banam rubbish. You child okay, this lady Bomaki he came on a year when so. Be dragigam galewa. Okay now, it won't get him in the line with your different lawyers. Okay now, through that period. Nwagu. When nobody was there for you, I stood there for you. I will show that you cry on when this idiot was devouring you. Oh, okay, I was there for you. I protected you. If the matter is sink again, I took the bullets. I stood for you. But this time, so every day I drag again. Every day I got other people getting a hang with dealings that you did not settle. Do you want me to wake the dead bones? It can wake here the dead bones. And the current things that happened and the ones that are happening. Do you want me? Nwagu, don't beat more than you can chew. Do not beat more than you can chew. You see, Ogechi ejula be keshin yono. Ogechi ejula be keshin yono. Ogechi ejula be keshin yono. Nwagu, settle me amicably. Come on, I get party ways. You must settle me, oh. Iga pomo bom. Ige settle me. Ige settle me. Ya shigishima kolong je ku anybody who go blogger. In the blogger me je ha alabu. Ana koma alabu. I would many things I'm about to unfold. Ana koma alabu. You wronged me. You betrayed me. You wronged me. You betrayed me. People shed tears because of what you did to me. People shed tears because of what you did to me. Nwagu, many people don't know about you. Don't allow me to expose you. Don't allow me. Do the. If you can betray me, you shouldn't be trusted in any way. You should not. You shouldn't. You should not be trusted in any way. Somebody na I will carry your matter for head. That's my weakest point. And I'm about to one day too much. And I have learned my lesson after the terrible incident that I experienced in Nigeria in your hands. I've learned my lesson. Because here I am twice a man. This Amuswana Governor Onyoshi, a demon, a devourer, a monster. A queen see Hunanya, a demon Hunanya, ye pompi, naga as and in a human form. Oyabuso Kumam, Oyabuso Mami, Wama Shawo, Kuma that my father raped me. What manner of names? Ma was here ex-convict here, baby. Ma was here ex-con. Yeah, baby. You called me a shower. You called me Nanam Promono. You called me all manner of stuff. Me pension. This is not me pere no ya ge buki. No ya ge buki. No ya meri jirishi from ungo ala. Bia me Ogechi. Bia lead here to squad do molest them, not even arrest. These are your videos. Maybe you have forgotten. Internet, you know, they forget. Maybe you all will carry on this life. Who will get put on social media. Don't put hands. Your destiny has been cancelled. I cancel go your spiritual and physical. And who rega panatan wa? Who abaragia with my full chase? He win anything, eh? He win anything on the one. Come we hear batarayane. You need anything again in one. Come here, Patrayane. You that is a demon, got chindengo bala. You that is a monster, got chindengo bala. Because Cholan open it here. Actually, money open it here. Come who on a vote to lage. This your brother who was among people that were staggering me. This your dead brother. He followed you. He followed people. Called me name, staggered me. He was among. He joined them. You recruited. I captured it. Yeah, be on my memory. This your brother now, Baburu. Also, this saga Ogechi. I don't mean about the thing they click. Me, my name will be very photographic memory. Oh, now I can remember you. You gathered everyone. Gathered all of them. Yeah, Brubia. May my arrest. Vow war. Nige Mary Lamo. You came. After I met my guy disappear, he thought he can again. You ran away, you an unintelligent criminal who disappear. Ozzy J Parker for shame. That useless idiot Anagrani Kerawa Bashi. Weba na Abuja apparently after the era no run with Fort Abuja on the room thinkable. Because you guys are useless. Did you have any petition against me, Governor Onyoshi? Your mission is to come and capture Ogechi alive. Your mission is to come and capture me. Only one Nwagu. I would no matter. Oh, Nwagu Duraka Shilepangam no. Because he couldn't stand for me. He could not protect me. He left me hanging by myself. Nwagu Apani Mamoto. Burunda me disappear. Nwagu Apani Mamoto. Burunda me na China disappear. Till today. I still will not forget that thing that happened that day. And I told Nwagu when I want any redeem. Obviously, at the late hour. But Nwagu disappear. Nwagu left to me without protecting me. On a brand and care. Nwagu saying that Lucy men no job and they have to see my car. Nwagu settle me again wood on Akamo. If you don't settle me, again wood on Akam. I'm gonna give him and I'm more than a matter. That was why idiots idiot, that old fool because they were there. Nwagu could not come. Nwagu abalaga. Nwagu ran away. Oh, see later. The police told me everything. That I will not from the mountain. Nwagu came then late. Bari promote apu again. Why did you allow them to take me away? Here we all know Alajukamu. Madik and Harry. Manakam will know wala down. Now it's obvious that you did it intentionally. Why did you allow them to take what you walk upon damn? You don't cry. Who boys on Newi? At least you were going to beef with this woman. You will stand your ground. And you think Ogechi Gelega Noma? And you think Ogechi Gelega Noma? Nwagu, you know what you did. Ema himeremo. Aname Jilobia mana wagena settle me before you are like it too late. Settle me. You betrayed me. And thank you for telling me that you cannot trust anybody. And the meponum, Nwagu. If I open my mouth, if I open my mouth, Nwagu, if I open your chapter this time around, onyo ala me no mahapu get you onyahu. I will focus on you until me make ya sure. Everybody not support her, all of them. Look at the video. This demon, he had the video after talking with him. Basara Nwagu. That was when governor Onyo I reach out for peace. I reach out just that. With the way Nwagu was panicking, reaching out to me, call him on the part of everything. I tried to resolve the whole matter. Call happy is email escalates. Call happy email escalates. Man, I defend here. I'm so only kamusu with the agenda. So Nwagu, I was somebody here with somebody mpuromaki higi. Emane wait to ogi this amusu Caribbean and newi. Emanoya wa budati ninishi. Emanoya wa jinjara this idiot at Oje Park. Emana those unde fure. They are nobody. Nwagu, did you know that you are the one that arrested me? Nwagu, did you know you are the reason why I was arrested? Are you aware? Nwagu, are you aware that this monster defend the Gion? It may not because of you. This idiot Ujiri me initiate the arrests. Do you know that all these beasts gingered J Park? Do you know that? Emanonyo Obiano here. Emanonya Wamusu. Do you know that this demon is a monster? Emanonya wa ginger the whole thing. Even a Furefu said it. One idiot a Furefu. Do you know that? Do you know that he said it? That all yawa ginger, all yawa would the main reason. Haji biawa nobo. Haji biawa nanewi. Where I came for your father's memorial service. Where you personally invited me. Without your IV, I wouldn't have come. Where you personally invited me and assured me securities. Do you know that? Emmanuel Wonya. Without Onya, the when Hedika, J Parky, Igawa, how this a free fools. Nwagu, did you know you are the one that arrested me? Do you know that you are the one that arrested me?
Support her, everybody that support her, all of them. You can nature. I sit upon the gallows of the sons of the Shanamite, where I stand as one, and I call it to answer you. Open told us against these people. He may pay for me to enter. As I can call a wizard or was it? Oh, no. Just who will with an it is me, your son. I'm a little to home to Neto. He didn't have a mark here. Utan double have a zigada, Makeba Geliha, Utakashi Makeba Gelihancha. Mandana support her, everybody that support her, all of them. If you look at Macarono, if you don't tap, upon your mother, let many here, the tears of Chidema, the tears of many people that you did the same thing to. And people are supporting you. Not just you that is committing the thing, because if there are people to repeat you, you cannot continue. But those people supporting you. See, they are sure. They know that this thing is a lie. And they want to support it. To Neto. I told them this hour will come. That they may know. That they may know. The Shanamites. Ejimogo wedo homu to nature. Ogwada agwa. Onya hunu na kwa ogboye. Osi na mumu nya hunu no one do that condition without him metali ebere. Maka no nya one lady. Maka to ke big moto. Abarala ngili.
Nwagu, ngoto ikwere mu nkwu ibibe mi ya o. When I ejiri bala nwanne nwoke nwuru n'ili. When I eji bala nwanne nwoke nwuru n'ili, moto ikwere mu nkwu ibibe mi ya o. Not giving it to me o. I can gwa everything ikwere mu nkwu I ga ebunye mi ya. Everything you have promised me. Ige nyemia. Oh makihigi. Apendo nam go mention no moto. E moto ipone monkwa o. Ige bi me ya o. You will give me that car you promised me. That car ohun. Oji bia buere nwanne nwoke ili. Nwanne nwoke anwuru na. This ili na oguru nwanne nwoke. All that moto. I putara na public ikweme nkwa. Oya ka ojiri lie guola nwanne nwoke ala ili ya na. Okay, dear aware. Ako kam remind the arago.
Along Magibe. Along Magibe. Along Magibe. Here I am also. Along Magibe. Problems will go. The Shanamites, I know about that. The God of nature, the God of nature who has called me to do this and I've been doing it free of charge. If you don't take action, I will stop. If you don't take action between now to 300 days, okay, do well, Abutaja Bunubi will Ruarios or Cochioso. Always she take an over 300 days in that chando. And where's Hoke, social Hoke? No man continue. Let the common man continue crying. Man, over more do you know my billion ago. Billion ago, anyway. Imagine a mortuary. Imagine about of Adam, imagine in the ball. Where all has Yazam. Oh, you can now no your chandini. As a quarry, no wood your changanjina. Menu me, Hojo, Munu me go.
Nwagu, he watching this video, call he watching ya. Nwagu, he watching the video, call he watching ya. Are you watching this video? You watch this video. Are you watching ya very, very well? Are you watching ya? Are you man makam koji me video because I was the one facing him back to back before Eziokwu had joined him. Are you watching the video? Okay.
The one walking a leave on to them, Maka. The one walking one. Madame to them milk. Come to Lamoda. Diga tola nyo buda rai, pasta cha nyo buda rai, na batungo. Owo wo kan je jabata. Na shrine diga. Nda ni ne worin kekelem. An me bi ne wore gum zo akwụkwọ ka eru mu school. Me na ihe obula kwuru imere ha. Sichire ke gido sa ha ga-eme nke kanti. Ndị enwe be nke mere ọnụ ka ha ji. Ebe ha sị na ihe ọjọọ dị ha mma. Ama ọ na n'ubi. Mma ka eji sụọ ọrụ. Mma ka eji sụọpụta ha na-eri ha. Eji m mma wee be ha ọmụ. Ọ bụla eri ihe eji mma gbuta. Ọmụ ya anya bụrụ ka ihe. Until ihe wepụ aka. Wee gbawa nwoke a n'ihe na-eme dị njọ ihe na-eme dị bad. N'ọnwụ na nwoke ibe ya rụrụ na Port Harcourt ka a na nwoke ibe egburu wayo. Ọnwa abụọ, a sị onye megbuna nwanne ya ga. Okorobịa na nwanne ya nwaanyị, okorobịa gburu nwanne ya nwaanyị wayo, ọnwụ the same thing. So ebe Igbo nwe ofu, chida n'ihe na nna anyị hapụrụ anyị alaba ofu. Ma alaka obodo ha echekwala ha ebe ọbụla ha nọ ha rie ihe echekwala ha. Anya ka m kwuru. Ya bụrụla na enwe onye nwa agụ riri ego ya. Kwechiri na aghụghọ ndị mmadụ na-asọpọtụ ya. And ndị ahụ sọpọtụ gị ya ma ya nwa ataala ọka na mbụ. Enwere otu ha si ete ọka. Son of the Shalamites here. A na-etinyere na ọka n'ime ụzọ ka ọka na-ere ka ahụ ha si otu a wee regasịwa ụtụtụ ehihie n'abalị. Ka akwanụ ji netọ ji ndị nna nna anyị ha na-eje ekele Olise. Ọ na-awafọ je ruo ndị gbuo ndị mgbochie. Adawara nji aji akele nu kele Olise kele Chineke kele igwe kele ụwa.
Akwenu na ya. Nwagu, akwehu na ya. Yaka this amusu jiri lie nwanne nwoke today. And obuchabeo. Let me tell you, Governor Onyoshi. Ona this thing imere. This thing get wipe all your family away. Go and mark today's dates. Ona imere today. Ona imere nga. Ima na ashina wumbo oburu ko oji akpon. Imere this thing on my behalf. Right? Ashina wumbo oburu ko oji akpon. Okay, dear way. When they do what the more crisis will fall on you. And when he tiri akagagane. And when go and go round. Go and see chimana amusu. They can condition ya now. Amana Chineke ka o ji survive ga. Amana Chineke ka o ji survive ga. Ihe m na-agwa gị wo, ị gachakwa, you will remember what I told you today. Everything it iraka ga away failure. You will never progress. Iga toto ahihia. Also like so English, so English. You will never make it. Okay, come here. Okay, thank you. Iga make it in life. You will need to like a problem. Because a major home get number one. A major home get number one. When you came to me, you demon and all I called was for you not to destroy Nwagu's business. I pleaded. Get settled here. Yamana get burumu. Biaso one more for Ibu ma. Ibu ogo. Ibu oka. Ibu this thing. Kezi ana waya ana abanye mmiri hende mboshi aja abanye mmiri ha. All yaki ijiri that day everybody that watched this video, that was exactly you did. He made a signifier on. You wish me death. Nearly made a year signified to take someone's life. He wish him on. Wish ye a zulu no. And that on will be done up grow 102. More will die more if you don't come out to redo this thing. Ega wushitu nega next will be you. Ega video yourself on me today. You know this thing email. Oga wipe put your generation in a way. Only wala mo men ali bo ga korogi this thing you did. Emani you idiot. Say mari ife. Emani you idiot. And the how will it like that will pave way in your life. When I be every day gonna shrink on a daily basis. Everything you wished me. You are a very bitter demon. So I don't everything you I'm gonna shine on now what era of or how to or half for her. Oh Egusi for egusi. Because I want to survive. You know when Nigeria come to matter that only would demon in human form. You know when Nigeria come to matter that only would demon in human form. All of you. All of you that prepare on I prepare on need a plan. Also need join hands. All I wish all of you won. And why can we shouldn't talk? Because that was exactly what you guys planned for me. I want you to be a zone. Look at that means give me here. I want you to be a chin. What is your quality to challenge nobody? You don't have the quality. You cannot challenge anywhere. You are already disqualified. You cannot contest for anything. You will keep failing. You were a demon. You were a demon. You cannot win anything in this life. Or they are possible. I can remember video na drop program. Iman win anything. Governor Onyoshi, you cannot participate in anything. You were a demon. You were musu. You were the heart of a demon. Your anger is your anger is beyond anybody can control. In one who the leader, in one who the spirit of leadership. Even if a woman can win you, but even if a madman, a crippled man will win you, I will never be alive to see you progress in any politics. Odro possible. Odro, and the Nwagu, I'm warning you. Don't allow me to add you. Do not allow me to add you. Come on, this platform. Do not allow me to add you. Do not fucking allow me to add you. In that bag today, and who know what? You know what political career that you guys will achieve is done. Because everybody in Jerishi on a video day. Imagine ndo obodo unu, umu youth unu, gwa gi ihe. E like hu ga plan ya gbuo ya. You must permit that person. The leadership is not for you. Agbala ngenyi na nga device before Jerema membo. Ogechi temelu because the school ije na ba na guru. Iwe demon. You cannot operate in any meaningful thing. When anything in the maya. Agbala ngenyi na nge also lagi. Melu mala. Iga even come on, Kediana where we baro controller Aburo Park. Ntaje package na we botore e bachori Iban wini. Eman wini. I delete go na this your carry. In fact, spiritual and I wipe go out. Now physical I also any mind because I delete go gi. And when you feel me wini, you will not win a goddamn thing. If I didn't meremu, everything you did to me. One nigga one is America, yo. Ma get ekoromo no ma kogi. No man ekoromo no ma kogi. You called me a prostitute. You called me pam no grape rumu. You called me nam promono. Ma kozi egin kegi. Gishemuni ke limo. Niga make chani burumu. Gisheniga iga pa back aba. Back in aba. In apa na matuko na mo. Onga be na aba. You a demon. You cannot go nowhere. Hiji wulo lana ndimo we bebe antam. Hiji wulo lana ndina ekorola bandits. People mama hondo be antam. Timu na danger. Vowed to make sure now that I will bear with my dear life. Ya wurun den go ba laga challenge. On the niggas, nah, you go nowhere. You will never come open it. Come back and pour. And when people not go about, come back buffer. You can never win anything. Not in this life, not in next life. No, I will redo your video until you fail. You will keep failing. You will never win. Every seed you sow has already germinated. You can never win. Mother planning the mother. They look at Onye Shawe leader, Onye mega leader. Look at you. Look at you. Ejiri akage. You call death into your family. You better destroy. Let me tell you, it can only varies. It can only varies. But it's just a matter of time. It will come to reality. I think why put your generation away. The next Yawuroge. Borrow them again before all of them. Everything you'd send the lamgiha that demon. That's why Mother Shemu might send the alarm 1 million times. Because I'm a mere power of I wouldn't watch the video modern. I sent it back to your family. I sent all of them back to your family because I'm a nigga ripu. Everything you planned against me, you will repeat. I want to be playing your video to be refreshing your memories. Because it seems to forget so soon. You see, you seem to forget so soon. You wished me on. I made it even when I arrived. Back MJ Matan again and Nwagu Atahihia. You posted it, Ogechi have left to America. Before you know it, you deleted it. That means you'll be monitoring me. Nwagu have been telling you what he's not supposed to tell you. Leaking secrets. Nwagu, don't I'm give last warning. Because the next time I will come for you, you will not like me. A man who cannot keep secrets. Nwagu, you are a man who cannot fucking keep secrets. You talk like a woman. You don't have no secret in you. You don't have no fucking secrets. You open your mouth, you dish it out like a diarrhea. That is why anybody can penetrate in you. Yamata he planning. Yamata he game 20 to 30. Nwagu, don't allow me, oh. Don't push me, oh. Anama Bolagi. Anama one on now. Because in Pana here, nobody should talk, oh. All of the way they send requests, some Palatino na wuru na me. On my morning pop haga. Don't want trouble now. At least I don't mean any indecent. I saw every. Just take time. I will play everything. I beg and why. Just allow me.
Yes. Good evening from here.
The same place actually, and actually close each other. Okay, now you people can send their voice notes. Kirieri. Imagine when I'm going to say, "Number can design to put a gun, go do. How put 100 million? This hand to say, Jenny in the case. Number I go put up and down.
I've seen this video a couple of times, and then I've seen other videos.
Yeah, I will do the video. I'm trying to play. Let me play with them. Cow, another one. That's not what I want to play now. Play this one.
Because of money, because of money, because of giveaway, because of money, because of money. What people are doing, because of money, because of money. Because of money. So who has Amachiso's number? Because I think I will submit the music instead of me to do that. Who has Amachiso's phone number in a way? So that when I'm going to do that music, I want to come with Amachisom and I think her fiancé, they should be on the studio that I will pay. Then Amachisom, I will teach you this music. I will create the verses. You will sing it, just God will back you, then let your name be written on it. Then I will promote it for you here. Okay? So if anybody has Amachisom's phone number, or you can tell Amachisom, let it be woman to woman. That's how far I can go. So
some of you thought that happened. Don't know where I'm going to you. Unuga no kosho very soon. Unuga my reason I kept quiet. For una mind, nothing say I dey fear her. Unuga know very soon. You see, there are some things my husband tells me. I try to avoid that part for one reason. Because he will handle it accordingly. So for una mind, because I kept silent, and you think that I'm afraid of don't worry. Oh, is that why Ogechi kept quiet? There are some certain things that need to be handled legally. Teach a lesson that somebody will never forget. Ashimonya relax. But I want to have it on a war. Now, I get finished here because you cannot win me, I can't win you. Okay, dear, where? I couldn't be composed for me. Call me Apuna Chicago. Kenye gi dollar, Kenye gi siana. Because he won that all. Nwagu puta. Promise yani siana. Nagi siana. Obuli wegi. Obiga won am defend here. You didn't know that Nwagu ne brema ako inside. Nwagu na be besarama akwa. Get feel low that Ogechi na mbegi here for siana. Oh, but whoever put the siana. Whoever put the siana being those widows. And what siana home. Did Nwagu fulfill any of his promises to me? Actually, okay, now we hear him defend again. Ogechi Okeke, he willingly everything he said he will give it to me. I am going him all of them. And when I call that photo. He saw all these videos you did. Imene, you called me Apuna Chicago. Kenya mu siana Kenya mu. Ma was yegi escom. Gane wiwe. Awu makunerana mu before. Have you ever slept with me before? Ko woni ma who don't you mind before. That tag yamu. pro police. I just don't understand. I don't understand. I don't get it. I don't understand. I do not get it in any form of way. Gabezie, mare njipia me arrest. In play glue here, go no that they will first hit you. When you hit back, you become the problem. You want to go? The only guy get chialuno. Any person disagree with him, ya boma ya poma. Any woman disagree with her, le no nigga be chialuno. Le una apprent. Le una whatever. Ndega no kato waka. Gishi for to Galonia. A demona. Amusu that is desperately want to use power. What the guy? You get your name for to Abuja. You want to destroy your people? People only want tolerance of anger. Only value others. Only is all about him. Selfish, wicked, dubious, very malicious in nature. I want to get don't get represented no ebe. Ngobala. Oh, the way I want the talks to you, maybe nage. If we have talks to delete yegi. If we have people are wipe on the surface. I want you. That is what he would do. That is what he would do. You cannot talk. Freedom of speech. You cannot be freedom to speak anything. Oga chuge. Oge jim. Oge jim moge. Oge jin. Oge ji. Achuge. Ima mother Abuja bidro with me. Uneche na ona anem. Ako kozuole everybody onu na. Ako kozuole Abrahamu na gbashi. Ya wuroma iye bidon. If you know, forget about onye omere. Ilela yore morema. Ilela something that is not good is not good. Forget about onye like onye hate you. Call a spade a spade. When all the Abuja started with me, many people rejoiced. Now hafa. Ako can a threatening dog agazetipu. Ako can a threatening dog always sadly replicant of this demon. Nda na putabi represent onu. All people that equal they will finish you. Yabo boy say delete yegi. You will not exist. Yabogi, yaboga puna, oga shawo, walking, abogi mo. Are it too late for him to back off from social media saga? It's a lie. He goes nowhere. He's too late. He cannot be reasonable to do any politics. I just some keep this one in mind. And when the Konya and they defending then go he cannot do the job. He or they who qualify to do the job. On who the capability, on who the or what to in any way to do anything about public service. He cannot do it. On an anger issue, he cannot handle it. One day, he can't. He cannot do it. Fighting against him. Onya hukayama by 100 times. Chola no open it here. I gonna me promote. Jet only are who qualified to do it. I will promote the person for free. I need to make okay. Or qualify who to be anything and I run from Gobala. I just okay there where. You want to go?
I don't want to go crazy with you. I don't want to go crazy with you. I don't want to go crazy with you. Otherwise, how much is so you can sing? Everybody has good voice. You can sing. You can still sing. You can still sing. It's not for tomorrow. It's not for tomorrow. The other day with somebody, I will add you like the music. I can't put it about what are they telling you? You need for rubbish. You at the same time. No damage control. Now go. Okay, my fans. Those people who want me to do the song by myself. This one, media, you ask me very well, media compose with table, buy an internet everywhere shake here. And the man on the studio, beat knock on what your husband is passing through in your hands.
What my husband is passing through. Mono only obinolo. When I'm my team boroya or dima put social media, Ogechi Okeke you. Nobody represent somebody who can wake up, formulate lies, cook lies against you. Somebody that got accuse a ministry. No, here because ministry ain't ego. Somebody can just wake you up today. Formulate your lies because such people believe for ya. Onye akuno shinoga puta. Biedi poster na koyeri na esusuare all over social media. Or on global. Don't go about uno mokwadiri here. Uno mokwadiri here. Do you guys have shame at all? Uno mokwadiri here for somebody like this. A sagaman, oya na kono kawan. My man enwe who no prestige. Man ga puta ye wonu oye na one ya show. And what ga puta ye wonu oye na ko my home who ne bomba allegation. I want you no should how game no gene. Gene ko game no. If I may ask him then go bala. What can he do for you guys? Can you game no? Yeah? Then go bala da brashibu on your game no. A man who no words whatsoever. The person not get rule in anywhere. Can you pass it like qualification here? In terms of being a public figure. Yeah? Only a market woman. This madman. Only as a market woman. This madman. And who nothing to write home about.
Not necessarily call your name. Or you know what music, when you want the music to trend, you get here to want to small ingredients of trouble. If from car, what's it called? This guy, never to Ararasmo, Portable with Mobilistic. If you can able to trend down the 100 days. Matelacro, zombie. Then another opportunity, the music went far. So if I do you this one, that's all. As the more you rant on the internet, the more people go to stream the music live. They go to stream fans. They could just 1 month can dismantle all this lady. Can dismantle the other. A cook in Zambia.
When the motion were fans in Yemen to come dismantle this lady. When put a zilly that dismount. Idiot Bema. In no boss, oh my god. Those videos on my the other phone now. You want to go? In no more putarashi, fancy nenuya, thanks go dismount this lady. More was no I want somebody jabu come mebu. I want somebody ige jabu come mebu. As ya be wrapper. Threaten you can't come to Nigeria. Akwenu no ebo kuruya naturally dismantle no mo ki get dismantle mo ki get dismantle Ogechi Okeke Njaka mo ki get dismantle on work on wo so mbe putaziri ya shiambo suprilo idiot ebe mapa akwenu ebo jim compose egwu o akwenu I was waiting for him to bring out the music. Let's continue.
Please, my fans, if you guys will give me the little privilege to handle these people, I will put their image nationwide with pure truth.
Whose image? Oneki image ya da Lugana. Oneki image ya. Mwa that was running social media before Gama in here with Facebook. Mwa that taught everyone how to open page. On your wall, even the content creator fellow whom that blew up. Mwa he get destroy image. Ogechi Okeke Njaka. He get destroy image here. Somebody that brought what they call it, content. So people are still feeding with it. You was talking, I was looking at you. I said, you don't know what you're capping. Muma, because him where the saga gonna commenting on saga group EJ that time you was sagaring commenting on them. You were a weak man. You couldn't handle me alone. You brought all your useless woman with you. None of you could handle me alone. Oh, you was jubilating like a your God just so land there. You were jubilating. Imagine you giving yourself over credits. Hallelujah! Hallelujah! To tell you how to tell you the kind of capacity Ogechi. You was jubilating because you couldn't believe. In your entire generation, nigga meet you they come physical. Also the kage. One machine shit the kage. A demon of the kage. Oporoko. The worst Oporoko get where big and mini get to are. And where head shirigi get to area. Also mhono. Yeah, you give one only 100 years. Only 100 years. You celebrity who became Misha Potonowa. It touch off na social media, eh? It's an elabole ben saga. That you no longer you are a bloody liar. You are a bloody itura share. None of you are like a galabuni. Go will I hear me na baputano mo ko no mo. Go will I hear me. I will come out.
You make sure that they will be hot. Everybody, you know how many persons in America that will ask for this? So please, fans, sometimes you go crazy with people a bit so they will know that that's the thing they know. You know me is better than them. Okay. Give me the permission. Don't see it as a childish something. Sometimes follow them in the same way. People are saying, go ahead. I wish I'm because I'm friend. I'm the battalion very, very well. I will teach you the song. I will back you on the studio. Both the instrument and others.
They know saga. Did she respond to you? She deleted you like you never existed. Look at how useless it is. Look at how useless it is. Give me chance to destroy this woman, to dismantle her for a month. And you're calling somebody to come and give you oxygen. Why didn't you do your thing yourself? And you're calling somebody to come and help you. Because of me, also the kake. Because I kept quiet, I don't respond to her. I don't know what you guys are thinking. Anamachuki. Saga mu every day. I don't understand. But I chose to listen. I chose to ignore. Ignore doesn't mean that everything is over. Do you understand what I'm saying? But you were a very foolish man. That somebody you want to dismayed, you want to disfigure, you want to destroy, you want to I don't know. You are still calling somebody to help you. Okay, I didn't call anybody. I was doing it with you. I'm not here anymore. No, I did 2 weeks to face what you guys started. I did 2 weeks to face una doom. Ebito hanu na barewa. Ebito hanu na barewa. Kuma pra amu aga ekweli again. Una barewa. No, una go look for trouble. And when you go look potoro no wash no ge cha chola yoku. Anama choku. Anama choku. Anama no na my part, mind they are my business. Ogi frela obara. Feta na my platform, I don't know you. Never program, you come and contribute. You contributed. We started talking. I reach out to you peacefully. War. You change them for me in a minute. And get believe what I can keep quiet for you. Get believe what because of again and I'm gonna keep quiet for you. Onye blame Nwagu. That is who I'm blaming. That is who I am blaming, which I will not let go.
I 3-4 hours in Italia. All the buses, you never want to get here, go get the buses, go all of the pure. I'm actually so we promote here on the internet. Come here, we will do it. Volume 1 and volume 2. She's not a Zionite. She's not a Zionite. If anybody is associating her to Zion, and even in the music, thank you for reminding me. I will include it there that Zion should be very, very careful of this lady because Zion more problem.
The idiot that was begging for Zion to nego. I will play the record. Look at Onyoshi. Must I be a Zionist before my support or what is right? Must I be a Zion person before I support what is right? Do you think a woman one Nwagu or a woman before I supported him? Must I be a Zionite before I support what is right and what is wrong? Must I be a Zion? Ndani support him and ndani actually na batara ego or what to negi? We're going to have relate here. Or woman negi. And when I give you a hand supportaragi moto. So why are you supporting them? It's right time you were to supporting them. I support to come with the right to support on your I'm talking support. Oh, you know Jesus. Because I'm supporting him. And because I'm supporting Zion, telling that what you guys were doing to them, we are wrong. You went in there for money. And they Zion a dish. Oh, your problem, okay? Every day get burako. Why are you no longer sagaring ako? Why are you no longer sagaring him? Upon all the thing he made, I could them again. I could not acknowledge it. Eh? Osutekage. Amusutekage yefe.
Okay, I will not forget. I think I can watch this video. Zion should be very, very careful. Then I see no need fasting.
Then I got you. One. Ogechi Okeke Njaka. Look at the work I'm doing. I got you double. Le soon read the color when I got you double. One year jero kurima ya. Orogri rokuru. Ore mawade mburunku. Ore asubaran jausula. One got you. I wouldn't got you dog obala. Then go bala. Woo! Osula. Ebona mahihe. There. No. Anyway, that one is dead on arrival. He's a dead matter. On one, it's a council deal. Here to the right now, the spiritual rain. Also like a gang, anywhere. Ocho abagoki. Imangani when we naka. You don't deal at the little gogi. You were devil.
The music will trend. How much is will be available? How much is even if I'm the only one that's going to sing it? You will only make it if you promote to buy a hype or your work or not. I want how much is don't worry. Come boy another. Come boy. Come lawyer. Why a kakide?
Ke tombo lo Chineke ge boy kakide. Mama ke ya tombo le boy with who? With who? Onye? With Onye? Look at it now, one. And all the men he get respect. When they get put on my help when okay. This person putana ya kpo onwe nwoke. Nto otu ori da ori am ori okpori ori useless men that you're not supposed to get Larry and you get nwoke. Men elari. Osum men elari. Men in a cotton wine. Men that shares women nudes. Dala. Men that associate groups that share with the women nude. Undo to ya. Men that associate ya na one did not have a koya. Undo to free. Or group ya. Group that associate na short on wine. I know. Oh, not there away. That's what he do. That's what he do. On a group ever na short on wine. This idiot all your name. That's what he do. A group, huh? I will play one of their members. Yeah, making a nagahoya. Yeah, making a nagahoya. That's who they are. Men that shared nudes. Useless men.
If I present that music on the internet, I'll catch you 1 million views,
That's it. Obobu garden your son Kegi. That's it. The dead bomb shall rise again on the nebeno. Edriana Kupogi. That's it. Obobu garden your son on your lineage. Imagine visualizing your biggest star. Visualizing your greatest star on what? Also, Apostle, hey, I get 1 million views. Also, or a barabara, one. If I can fair. Of a common ekra lamna. Or a barabara, one with Feko Baka. Opaka, yawa, get to know my hog, oh, yoga, but one. I'm going to get up over your gown. Also to do younger when the time pastor, and then I'll be able to really cut you. So in your dream, it cannot stand no na channel one. I get the post. Gama lima muelu. I say let me see how it will work. It will never work. I'm and more. It will never work. I'm questioning nature. Ejida nature ga chop am again is dead. They delete go your destiny. Iwe nye aka mara ihe kwatara ya ne. Agbala ngi jerema pame. Go and start selling pame. Eba ho ka destiny gino. Jerime lunko. Were igwe parama pangwine na village no he fitiri gini. Pangwan top akage ma. So go and put it into consideration. Pari gwedema pame. Panye je himpo. Kwemna that will je himpo. Bam. Because iri ogu iga radio say so. Iri ogu area iga radio say so. It's very easy. Dani nde free for we moke jare himpo. Ele lamge position oge. Who that a position again as spirit we realumpo. That is where a position okay. If I bam get kigo and give one po sell pound give one to get a pound one. I will have a pastor when we will say upon one. She got puta. Can you got puta name and can't think game it? Oh, give a campaign, please if I give figure somewhere. Get shape a campaign. Anya, just whatever get kitegi. Whatever something get kitegi, get a queer guy a Korean age. Get that in a kitegi. That's the thing I'm going to kitegi. Hold to working. My happy for two. Idiot. Iberi. A hodeloso. A honos you make campaign. What can you walk to Anya Priape? A blind idiot. They make campaign. In a campaign to wear. Back in a campaign, aga. Aponya huruso, manande chinchi manande. Can you see clearly? Eh?
That music is
Bible, shut up, Bishop. He got who's on a pape like a blind man on a blind man on a buffet without somebody leading that person. Osuna. A back in Naga, where you they enter. A guy who's a government house. A bagish on she does all to chip and deb and the homozono. Idiot. You that served your years, a bina rego maka kanike. Ebina rego maka kanike, you will busy finger no maka. Arego maka kutu. Eh? Are you not the man that finger do maka? Governor Yoshi? Are you not a sex pedophile? Oh, hewu. Ozu. Oh, wakorugi. Erichano maka kado to that shichini. So, any get this position now. Got no maka nyoro bangwa wodo. Are you sure me? Eh? Dano maka with we're all called bangwa. Are you sure? Is that what you want to do? So I got back in kitchen. That paromaka watch changwa what wodo. A boat to anagi. Who to anaga who what maka for the useless man. And I've been talking. Can I get I'm gonna get shinte. Arumaka go to on the Jazo election. Eh? I'm not you will bad leader man. Another bad leader now. Chineke Borogoko. And I'll be a son Nikikin and son Naki. You did it! You did it! I got Mamma gonna get Didia. I am. I ship minutes of Chamu Gachan. Upon one Chakatan. Let me bring another video. Maybe you might not forget your brain is too daft. You might not about to wanna get more about women get affect in one part of your brain. You might have all this spiritual, physical. One of your brain are damaged. You never get this is here can I do okay? Watch a bit through la utopo. Imagine only Anambra, only mo set our boya. They mo set don't take it personal. Yeah, and I'm in the spirit of saga. Don't come for because this is not on our because one. Imagine only Anambra, only mo set our boya gama in the J Park you will tell me. If I figure out the man like this governor is you share like go to that period. See idiots. Monagishi from no banese but ana hono asawa capital ma joge Monagishi from the same Newi South. One idiot she from Ngobala. Ndeme people na ndeka na eji lampo ahunzo water we to that ebuko bibira we lam lights. People come on a primitive ndeka na eji mpa there is no lights. They can live at this modern age. A drugi or so many that's it. And I'm never south to small long dome. And get take it, parotula, crotula, pampa, soro diaper. Because it is useless. Kuro diaper to the papa. So idiot to Yaprogi Jamo Koshishi. Oshishinala and nega woni mo set. Naga woni mo set. Japak. Shia! A poem gone. It was a marife. I hope my Ben Potrashi an Imo State man. Durula, 1-4, Anambra State. Dub Yaga worship their own God. Yabda, oh my God. Issue or you could have summoned me no more. When I get your free bala, should I call Pogon useless man? I just law shower one again. That useless prostitute low. That I come. And I'm no Jimmy make contact and I'm a dim shim hap again. I'm a dim shim hap again. But say man I call a butako. So I saw some second this, but I will sack all of you together. That's your useless prostitute Dimitri in a hotel. That idiot, that a shower water. Water, he bent the one in corner. I don't even hotel before Gabriel Laboyo. That idiot. Get a book gay in my show and half idiot in Rodia. Game Una na putazi na social media agba egwu. Chineke kpọrọ gị na ya ọkụ. Useless to nda ball routine esusu na ha na-eme content. Hustlers online, useless people, idiots. People, nda patara na nwa abụọ na-eshi. 2 idiots that was smelling, pussing everywhere. Una emere expensive perfume njiri yo. I have to drop it in a police station. Eba baga perfume because of una smelling idiots. Get out proper. He is she gina hona proper. Keshu na gina hona proper. Idiots. Jepaki could not write sentana or intelligent criminal called Dele Abalaga. Idiots. Itebe. And the one he could not put down shit for you because she can't even write properly. Useless, too good for nothing, idiots. On them regalamamu, ntantara, bastards. Let me play one of your useless video about Ogi, Ghana, behind their Facebook, and I'm na TikTok. You can follow me on TikTok. You can follow me Queen the Line. I bank my hapu. Come concentrate.